Hello everyone, welcome to Xinhua Live. This is Dingting with Xinhua News Agency. Shanghai has recently reported a record number of COVID-19 infections since the pandemic broke out in 2020. I am now in Lingang Pujiang Park in Minhang District, Shanghai. A batch of high-tech nucleic acid testing equipment and products are produced and put into use here. Behind me is the mobile nucleic acid testing vehicle developed by Shanghai Zhijiang Biotechnology Company. Not long ago, the devices of this kind were deployed to join cities' fight against the latest resurgence of the COVID-19. So now we will have the general manager of Shanghai Zhijiang Biotechnology Company to give us more details about this vehicle. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Can you give us a self-introduction?
Yeah. For meet the huge demand COVID-19 detection, Liferiver developed the Blue Amber, the automated biosafe compliant nucleic acid vehicle, which provide an integrated solution for sampling, transportation, and detection. Blue Amber required only C1 driver license, quick and nimble. It offers on-site detection instantaneously. Touchless sampling, which is safe and more comfortable. Sample transport on the fully enclosed negative pressure environment. Sample to result, full automated, only 2 technicians on board for the whole process of COVID-19 detection.
Yes, and this is a mobile, fully automated P2 Plus nucleic acid testing vehicle. So from the outer appearance, it looks really like an RV for that we take for traveling. But as we know, the efficiency of the vehicle is quite amazing. So how efficient is this vehicle?
For Blue Amber, the throughput is 1,800 tubes per day per vehicle. Compact and nimble, automated decapping, recapping, sample dispensing, nucleic acid extraction, PCR setup, PCR amplification, result analysis and reporting. No manual intervention during the whole process of nucleic acid detection.
And if you get onto the vehicle, so we can find more details. So how do the works of the collecting and the testing samples go on the vehicle? What are the advantages of this nucleic acid testing vehicle?
For the Blue Amber, it's compact and nimble, required only C1 driver license. It can on-site detection instantaneously, and it also can use it for board control, rapid detection for emergency or outpatient, screening for disease prevention and control, detection at counter site or in a community.
So how many samples is it able to handle every day?
The throughput is 1,800 per vehicle per day.
And how many nucleic acid testing vehicles have you produced?
At present, Liferiver has developed 6 Blue Ammers and 3 Red Ammers.
And what we have witnessed, 3 of them, they are just samples. They are quite new. So another 3 vehicles has go to other places.
Yeah. The 3 other Blue Ammers, they are on work outside. And also 3 Red Ammers, they are also used outpatient screening now.
Let's go to our next stop, okay? So the best thing, as far as I know, about the Blue Armor is that it is small and flexible, and it can provide instant testing everywhere it stops. It seems we only need 2 people in a car to finish the sampling and the testing. So after finishing the self-antigen test, so let's continue our tour in the laboratory, shall we?
This lab is for our device research.
So this is a research center.
Yes, it's a research center for hardware. This is AGV. It's used for sample transportation.
So how many tubes is there in a plate?
This plate is more than 100.
More than 100.
Yes. So you can see this is a robot. Can grasp the sample into the mini lab.
Yes.
This mini lab, the name is Chinking. It's
Here.
yeah,
Chinking.
Chinking.
跟1号。
1号啊，对，it's for intelligent mobile mini lab for molecular detection.
So this is fully automated, right?
Yes. Which can complete up to 5,000 tests in 24 hours. This system allows random access and assembly like loading of samples, rendering men on duty unnecessary. Chinking works not only for the detection of COVID-19, but also for the mass screening of large population for other passengers. Our nucleic acid test vehicle is a mobile P2 Plus compatible lab, which offers instantaneously and on-site detection. Traditional PCR lab is not mobile. Since the launch, our nucleic acid test vehicle can be developed at multiple sites across Shanghai to support anti-pandemic frontline. At this critical moment, the vehicle will help enhance the screening efficiency among key regions, key people, and key industries.
So according to a senior local government official, there is no need for a citywide lockdown in Shanghai at present. But such kind of the COVID-19 test is launched rounds and rounds across the city. So I think for this kind of high-tech nucleic acid machine, if this kind of machine put into use, this kind of high-tech products will help a lot among the resurgence of the COVID-19 infections in Shanghai. So we can see the robot. The robot is grasping the tube by tube.
Yes.
So for the whole day, so how many tubes will it get?
5,000.
5,000
Yeah.
in 24 hours.
Yes.
So for how long can we get a result?
Only 2 hours, 2 hours and 20 minutes.
Oh, okay, it's very fast compared.
Yeah, and later, every 15 minutes, you will get next bench. Yeah. You can see the red box is a PCR machine. They used for COVID-19 testing. and the Chongqing have 6 PCR machine, and they run one by one. So this is instantaneously detection.
As a national-level biomedical development zone with a history of over 10 years in industry, Pujiang Park has gathered a large number of high-tech biomedical enterprises. Due to the recent challenging epidemic situation in Shanghai, anti-pandemic measures suggest many employees to work from home. But the local government has mobilized highly skilled workers from all districts of the city to guarantee the production of the testing equipment here.